8 species that has killed the most humans. Humans have faced many dangers in the course of our existence. Whether it be natural disasters, famine, or even fellow humans, we've seen it all. But there's one danger that has been present for as long as we've been on this planet. The animals. Throughout history, animals have killed more humans than any other cause of death combined, sicknesses and accidents included. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 8 species that has killed the humans the most. Number 8. Elephant. Elephants are native to Africa and Southeast Asia. Elephants are the world's largest land animals. And they are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, but not because they kill more people than other large animals. There are many accident reports associated with elephants, because of their size and weight, which can easily crush a person to death. In addition, elephants can be aggressive and unpredictable as well if they are threatened or shocked. In Indonesia, there are more fatal case reports caused by elephants than other animals such as tiger or jaguar. Every year. Yes, I mean it, every year. Elephants kill more humans than any other animal. In fact, over 300 to 400 people's death has been reported by elephants each year. Number 7. Alligator. Alligators live in North America, South America and Africa. Alligators are dangerous animals to humans. For one thing, they can grow quite long and are known to attack humans that get too close to the water's edge. Alligators also have a very powerful bite that is capable of crushing a human skull if the animal feels threatened. Not only that, alligators are known for the death roll, a behavior that involves rolling around on their backs in the water to disorient and drown any kind that are would-be attackers. Serious fatal case has been reported in America. In June 2016, an alligator killed a 2-year-old boy in the water at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. The boy had been playing in the Seven Seas Lagoon at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa when he was attacked by an alligator. Disney has reportedly cleared 250 alligators from Disney World and its other Florida properties after the incident in 2016. Each year, more than 100 people die due to alligator attacks just in Florida, United States. It is not easy to find out the exact number of people who die by alligators each year. There are 2 reasons why it is hard to find out the number of people who die by alligators per year. But it is estimated that around 500 people die each year by alligators. 1. The majority of these deaths happen in remote areas where there is no reliable record keeping. How scary is that? This means there are more missing persons cases caused by alligators that will be forever unknown, since alligators never talk. 2. There are a lot of other factors that contribute to these deaths such as drowning, car accidents, and animal attacks. And alligator attacks are very common among missing persons cases on certain regions. Some areas just assume you are dead by an alligator if you are missing. That is how common alligator attack occurs in some regions of the world. Number 6. Hippopotamus. Hippos are considered an African mammal that resides in sub-Saharan Africa. They are herbivores who spend most of their lives in water, grazing on grass and other vegetation near the water's edge. Hippopotamuses are one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They've been responsible for more human deaths than any other mammal since 1979. They are average weighing around 3,000 pounds. A hippo's bite is powerful enough to snap a human's torso in half. The hippopotamus are capable of reaching speeds of 30 miles per hour. They can also reach speeds of 10 miles per hour when walking or trotting. A hippo's mouth can open almost 180 degrees and they have 4 canine teeth and 8 incisors. The lower incisors jut forwards, while the curved lower canines are the longest and most tusk-like of the teeth. And they will pierce through mostly anything. Between 2006 to 2022, the reported number of people killed by hippos each year has been steadily increasing. The reason for this increase is not clear, but some experts have hypothesized that it may be linked to increased habitat loss and a corresponding increase in the number of human hippo encounters. There are a lot of different factors that affect the number of people killed by hippos each year. One such factor is the population size. as a larger population means more interactions with humans and thus more chances for an individual to get involved in an attack. It is estimated that around 500 people die each year by hippopotamus. Number 5. Tsetse flies. What are tsetse flies, where they live, why they are dangerous? Tsetse flies are found in the African continent, especially in eastern and southern parts of Africa. They are found in sub-Saharan Africa, mainly in Uganda. Tsetse flies are a type of insect that carries the trypanosoma parasite. This parasite causes infection in humans and animals. It is a parasitic disease that affects the brain, spinal cord, and other tissues. Tsetse flies are dangerous because they transmit diseases like sleeping sickness and nagana, which can be deadly. These pests are known to kill more than 10,000 people every year. Not only that, tsetse flies are among the most destructive of all bee and wasp-like insects. They are known for causing 30% of the total livestock loss in Africa. Number 4. Freshwater snails. Many people don't know much about freshwater snails and their dangers, but they are quite scary. The freshwater snail carries worms that can infect people with a disease called schistosomiasis, which infects nearly 250 million people, mostly in Asia, Africa and South America. It causes pain, blood in the stool or urine, and other symptoms depending on the area where it's affecting the body. The scary part about the freshwater snails is that you do contract it from just wading, swimming, entering the water in any way, and the parasites basically exit the snails into the water and seek you. And they penetrate right through your skin, migrate through your body, end up in your blood vessels where they can live for many years, even decades. It's not the worms that actually cause disease to people, it's the eggs. And those eggs have sharp barbs because they eventually need to make it back out of the human body and back into the water and find that there are snails that they need to complete their reproduction cycle. And so those eggs can lodge in different tissues and cause severe symptoms ranging from anemia and fatigue, all the way to various severe symptoms, even death in about 10% of chronic cases. Millions of people have contracted the schistosomiasis infection, and based on World Health Organization's estimates, as many as 20,000 to 200,000 deaths can be attributed to it. Number 3. Dogs. Yes. That is right, the dogs. Our most friendly companion of our lives. Perhaps surprisingly, dogs are the third deadliest animal to humans. Dogs are responsible for around 30,000 human deaths per year, with the vast majority of these deaths resulting from rabies that is transmitted from the dog. About 35,000 deaths can be attributed to rabies, and of those cases, 99% are caused by dogs, according to WHO. Whatever you say, dogs are one of the deadliest animals out there, though the virus can be prevented using vaccines. Fatal dog attacks in the United States cause the deaths of about 50 people in the world each year, and the number of deaths from dog attacks appears to be increasing. According to dog fatality statistics, there are about 50 fatal attacks each year, and the most responsible dog breed is Pit Bull. Children who have the highest number of attacks with fatal consequences are those from 0 to 4 years. However, statistics show that about 70% of fatal attacks are not related to family dogs. Due to a large number of stray dogs in some countries, it is expected that there will be attacks with fatal consequences, but the number is still minimal and often the attacks are associated only with minor injuries. Number 2. Snakes. Venomous snakes are an iconic part of the American landscape, but they're not just found in rural and wild areas. They can be found in urban areas, as well. As of 2022, there are 3,971 snake species. There are around 600 venomous snake species in the world, and about 200 are able to kill a human. The big ones are a few species of cobras, kraits and taipans. Snakes are the second deadliest animals on the planet and kill a lot of people each year. On average, about 5 million people are bitten by venomous snakes, and half of these bites result in envenomation. Between 80,000 and 140,000 people die from these bites every year. Many others are left seriously injured. As many as 50,000 people die each year from snake bites on the Indian subcontinent, since many venomous snakes can be found on suburb areas. A recent study published in the Journal of Clinical Toxicology found that most venomous snake fatal deaths occur in Asia. Out of the 129 fatalities recorded, 115 of them occurred in Asia. The study's co-author, Dr. Jeff Isbister, said, "The reason for such a high number is because there are so many people and so many snakes." Number 1. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are one of the most common and irritating pests known to humans. Mosquitoes are one of the deadliest animals on Earth, killing more humans than any other. The World Health Organization estimates that these pests kill more than 700,000 people every year. Mosquitoes transmit diseases that cause millions of deaths every year, including malaria and dengue fever. They feed on blood and can pose serious health risks. If bitten, it will typically take around 10 minutes for mosquitoes to produce swelling and itching from bites. Mosquitoes come in through open windows, doors, or even screens. These pests can attack us in a number of ways, so it's always good to take precautions before sleeping. Not all mosquitoes will kill you, but some can be fatal in the case of large outbreaks. It is important to have a good understanding of how to prevent yourself from mosquito bites. There are many different ways to protect oneself, such as using mosquito nets or repellent. So here we are with the 8 species that has killed the most humans. Aren't they scary? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Species 101.